So it started on Friday, I'd say probably around 8, 9 in the morning. And it was just 7-mile winds, splashed against the restaurant, against the foundation, and eventually froze over because it was so cold, because it went from like 45 degrees to about 12 degrees. And as you can see, it actually protected the restaurant by it dropping so low in temperature, because it acted as a barrier and protected the restaurant and the foundation. I guess we won't know until it all melts. It's pretty heavy, that's what I'm nervous about. But nothing broke, no windows broke, no leaks. And yeah, we just got a new floor put in, and none of that was touched. So right now we're good.